Hello friends, my name is Aaron and welcome back to another video. Firstly, I would like to wish all of you a happy Halloween. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, let's discuss what is the significance of a pumpkin on a Halloween and the origin of Halloween and many other things. So let's get started. Halloween originated from an ancient Celtic festival. According to history.com, the Halloween we know today can trace its roots back to the ancient Celtic end of harvest festival of Samhain. During Samhain, people would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off evil spirits. In the 8th century, in an effort to spread Christianity, Pope Gregory III decreed November 1st as All Saints' Day and incorporated some of the rituals of Samhain. All Saints' Day was also called All Hallows, and the night before, when the traditional Samhain festival used to take place in Celtic regions, was called All Hallows Eve. Jack-o'-lantern comes from the Irish legend of Stingy Jack. Legend has it that Stingy Jack invited the devil to have a drink with him. But Jack didn't want to pay for the drink, so he convinced the devil to turn himself into a coin. Instead of buying the drink, he pocketed the coin and kept it close to a silver cross in his house, preventing the devil from taking shape again. He promised to let the devil go as long as he would leave Jack alone for a year, and that if Jack died, the devil wouldn't claim his soul. After a year, Jack tricked the devil again to leave him alone and not claim his soul. When Jack died, God didn't want such a person in heaven, and the devil, true to his word, would not allow him into hell. Jack was sent off into the night with only burning coal to light his path. He placed the coal inside a carved out turnip and has been roaming the earth ever since. People in Ireland, Scotland began creating their own creations of jack-lanterns out of turnips, beetroots and potatoes. The tradition traveled to the United States along with the immigrants, and people began to use pumpkins, native to North America, for the lanterns inside. Jack-o'-lanterns originated in Ireland after all. Once Halloween became popular in America, people used pumpkin instead. The most lit jack-o'-lanterns on display is 30,581. According to Guinness World Records, the highest number of lit jack-o'-lanterns on display is 30,581 by the city of Keene, New Hampshire in 2013. Keene, represented by Let It Shine, has broken the records 8 times over since the original attempt. That's a whole lot of pumpkins. Des Moines has a hilarious tradition called Beggar's Night. The night before Halloween, young children in Des Moines hit the streets for Beggar's Night. According to an article in Des Moines Register, the event began around 1938 as a way to prevent vandalism and give younger children a safer way to enjoy Halloween. Beggar's Night is very similar to regular trick or treating, except kids are required to tell a joke, poem or perform a trick for a treat. The best part? The jokes are notoriously groan-worthy, like, if April showers bring Mayflowers, what do Mayflowers bring? Having children dress up in costumes and go door to door like little beggars demanding treats is kind of weird, like several other Halloween activities. The tradition can be traced back to Middle Ages and the rituals of Samhain. It was believed that phantoms walked the earth on the night of Samhain, so people would dress up in costumes in an effort to repel the spirits. As the Catholic Church started supplanting pagan festivals with their own holidays, like All Souls Day, the act of souling became popular, and poor children and adults would go door to door dressed as spirits, accepting food in exchange for prayers. Now, Halloween is the second largest commercial holiday in the United States It comes after only Christmas. Consumers spent approximately 9 billion on Halloween last year, according to National Retail Federation. That's a lot of candy and costumes. That is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe, and once again, happy Halloween. Bye.